Hello, today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace an LCD screen for Dell INSPIRON 14Z 5423. Well, you're gonna start with removing the bezel. Well, it's pretty easy. You can use your fingernails slowly and go around and snap off the little clips that holds it on. You just have to do it slowly and carefully so you don't break it. And you take it up, put it aside. Then you're gonna see there's 4 screws holding it on. There's one here, one here, one here, and one here. Just take a small little screwdriver and put slight pressure on it, not much, and unscrew. When you're doing this, make sure you don't lose the screws. Slowly remove the screen itself from the housing, flip it, right there is the cable connected to the motherboard. Lightly pull up on it and pull it out. Screen is now gone. Get your replacement screen. Be careful with the replacement screen. Now reconnect the cable to the back of the inverter on the screen. Make sure it's fully connected. Now lay it back in the slots. Put the screws back in. Make sure they're snug. Don't try to extremely tighten them down. You can put the screws on or take the screws on or take them off any order you want. Make sure it's fully secure on. You tightened it enough. And just simply put the bezel back on and snap the clips in place. Make sure there's clipped in all the way. It's uniform around. And there it is. It's quick and easy to simply take your broken or screen out of your laptop and put a new one in. This was a Dell INSPIRON 14Z 5423. I hope this helps you. Have a nice day.